Extra powerful and lightweight cleaning for limitless surfaces in your home. Enjoy versatile and effective cleaning in a vacuum that weighs less than 8 pounds. Plus, there's no hair wrap to deal with. 3x more powerful suction. Engineered with Turbo Boost mode, a high-performance digital motor and 25V lithium-ion battery. With Turbo Boost mode versus ICONpet. Cordless vacuum, 2288. Actively prevents hair wrap. Tangle-free brush roll lets you vacuum pet hair anywhere, without having to worry about removing hair from the brush roll when you're done cleaning. New and innovative parking brake feature locks the wheels in place, so you can rest the vacuum against the wall. LED headlights help illuminate pet hair and debris on all surfaces in your home. Smart Seal allergen system traps fine dust and allergens inside the vacuum so you can breathe easy. Up to 50 minutes of runtime. Varies based on cleaning mode and attachments. In low mode, powerful suction. The cordless vacuum cleaner equipped with a 300W upgraded brushless digital motor generates 150 suction power and 28 suction force on max mode, easily picks up pet hair, debris from carpet, hardwood floor, tile car, stair, sofa, etc. Brushless vacuum provides better performance than a brushed vacuum cleaner. 60 mins long run time. The cordless vacuum adopts a 4000 meters AH10-cell large capacity battery, extra 4 cells than others, provides up to 60 mins runtime for deep cleaning in standard mode, 3 suction modes for choosing. Ideal for large jobs and full house cleaning. Meanwhile, battery vacuum provides overvoltage, overheat, and short-circuit protection. The battery is rechargeable and detachable, but could be charged only when connected to the main motor. LED display and LED lights. The LED screen on the stick vacuum displays indicator, roller brush clog alert, filter clog alert, power mode indicator, and power mode switch. You can touch the switch to change power modes. Upgraded 33 kPa strong suction power. Equipped with an upgraded 450W brushless motor, the lifespan of the BuTure JR500 cordless vacuum cleaner is extended by 5 times. With 3-speed suction, 15 kPa, 33 kPa, it supports whole house cleaning with different needs, cleaning debris, dust, cat litter, pet hair, etc. Suction is as powerful as a corded vacuum, and the lowest does a great job alone. 55 min ultra-long battery life. BuTure JR500 cordless vacuums is equipped with 7200 mAh lithium battery, which ensures cleaning time up to 55 minutes. Note 20 minutes at high suction and 55 minutes at low suction. The battery can be removed and replaced with one click, and you can purchase additional batteries for longer runtime. Large diameter V-shaped anti-tangling brush with a large diameter electric brush. BuTure JR500 vacuum cleaners can clean a larger area at a time. The built-in V-shaped roller can effectively prevent hair from tangling and avoid the trouble of frequent brushing. 25 Ka high-efficient vacuum cleaner. With the 250W brushless motor and 75,000 RPM spinning, this cordless vacuum cleaner generates strong suction, powerful enough to pick up dirt, debris and pet hair in a single pass. Cleaning rate reaches to 99%. 50 mins extra long runtime. Powered by 6-cell 2500 meters a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this cordless vacuum cleaner provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction to deep clean your entire space. Multi-purpose versatility. Aspiron cordless vacuum is ready to solve all your everyday cleaning needs. With a motorized brush, long crevice nozzle, 3-in-1 nozzle and extendable tube to easily clean up high, low, narrow places, sofa, stairs, cars, keyboards, and more. Lightweight vacuum cordless. Weighs only 4.5 pounds with accessories 51% lighter. The usual 9.05 pounds of other wireless vacuum. This Aspiron cordless stick vacuum cleaner is perfect and easy enough for quick everyday cleaning. Equals.